Visualize the future of today's technology being used to interact with the customer throughout their day. We have never been closer to being able to seamlessly integrate technology into one's lifestyle to enhance the customer experience. Innovations such as smart appliances collect useful data with the help of various wearable and handheld devices to autonomously flow data throughout the tech ecosystem. Today's consumers are seeking ways for their technology to simplify their lives and help them be more productive. Millions of customers are already tracking their personal biometric health and wellness data and actively seeking ways to use this information to live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Real-time data flow creates clarity for the customer, enhances safety, improves cost efficiency, and helps select products the customer needs. All while an intuitive retailing system can simultaneously collect, aggregate, and analyze useful data for each individual store, giving Loblaws the essential information to connect to its customers' day-to-day needs. The in-store experience can be designed to not only make shopping more streamlined, but also provide a shopping experience as unique as each shopper. This data works within an intelligent system to provide our customers with useful information in real time, and each experience is customized to suit the individual's needs. We're at a point in technology where we're seeing the highest level of measurable improvements in health and well-being as a result of consumer-grade health and wellness technology. The consumer feels empowered to make the right choices, saving both time and money in the process, leaving customers more time for what matters. Visualize the future.